Okay guys, welcome to the next tutorial. In this we're going to look at casting. We have two types of casting, which is implicit and explicit, right? The casting is basically where you want to change one type to another. So from an int we want to go to a byte, or a byte to an int, or a float to a double, or a long to an int, whatever, right? It's just that's the way it is. So implicit is where we have, say, an int of, say, this figure here, 29,000, right? And we want to you know say we want to put a byte into that. It's simple enough because a byte is only one byte, and this one here says 2, and this 29,000 can easily hold 2. So the program knows that that's going to work. But the other way around, if we have this int of 29,000 and we want to assign it to a byte, byte is only going to about 227 or 255, roughly around that, right? So we know that it's not going to hold 29,000, so we're going to lose some. Don't forget, an int is 4 bits, where a byte is only 1 byte, or 4 bytes, 1 byte, okay? So when we try to assign this, if I didn't put in this cast here, what will happen is we get an error, okay? By putting this cast in, we're telling the program, look, we know what we're doing. We want you to assign this int to my byte, and whatever we lose, okay? So we're going to look at that now in a minute, right? And another one has, say, a string, my string, okay? And there's the figure, 2334. That's a string. But I want to convert that to an int. Now there's two ways of doing it. We can do it this way, convert to int32 and put the variable in here, or we can go int.parse, okay? But I'm just going to show you the convert to methods here, okay? So what's going to happen is here, this is the way we're going to convert this to an int, alright? Now if I run that, we should get probably, 72 and 2009, 29,000, but we won't. We're going to get a figure here of around 72-ish, I'd say, and that's months. There we go, 2334. So that's my int. That's converted from int, and we get 72. So the 72 is because the byte has taken this figure and just cut it off. Just said, right, this is all I'm going to be showing you. I can't hold that figure, so we're getting 72. Okay? So I hope you understand where I'm going here. If I was to, let me see, write my name, no, that's alright. No, it's happy enough. There's no point in typing this out here. You can just see it here. I can show it to you running. I'm trying to explain what I've rolled up, and you want to copy it down and try it yourself, simply what to do. Alright, so that's the two types we have. Implicit, which I told you, is where the one you're assigning to the other one is smaller than the one you're assigning.